We got a 37 Packard here, model 115C. Big old heavy car. Look at the stance on that, you know, radiator and stuff. You got, I don't know what this is actually. It's like Victory, you know. Discus, has a discus, a tire, holding on to a tire, that's what it is. So, usually they were in black back then, but you got the wide white walls. Special aftermarket wheels on this, which that must have been tough to find them. Packard Club probably knew. You got a little bit of a silver around here trim. Shaved door handles, electric opening. You got aftermarket gauges in there. They're designed to look like, you know, the old needles and the old typeface and stuff with the gold trim and the wood dash. Yeah, looks like a comfortable car to drive. Dual exhaust. Dual exhaust.
Was he in that movie? God damn it! I got a model home too.
Third head brake light too. You need that today. Somebody would, no, they wouldn't even notice them. You have this big old red car, and real high, real big. You put your brakes on. They wouldn't notice if you didn't have that third eye sticking them right in the face, because people are conditioned. You know, they're conditioned not to see things now. You know. Plenty before those lights would have been really big.